watching News 8.
I am pleased to welcome Christine Vargas, who is the president for Vargas Associates, to the program. Christine, good morning. Thanks for a few minutes.
Good morning, and thank you for having me.
What a time to be in your line of work. Let's begin there. What do you do at Vargas Associates?
At Vargas Associates, we're an interior design firm, and we do a lot of project management to help our clients implement those designs. And we work with a lot of different sectors, including corporate, healthcare, municipal, and education.
Well, right now, no better time to be in that line of work, as we said. For businesses that are still open and considered essential, what should they be doing now to ensure that their safe is space for staff members?
Well, right now we're going to continue to make sure that our workplaces are as safe as possible and that our employees feel confident that they're safe. If you have anything that can be removed, if there's any type of high-touch surfaces that you can substitute some other appliance or mechanism for, it'll help eliminate the constant touching of multiple people. And then there's some things that we can do from a space planning perspective to make sure that people are properly separated and any transmission germs would be minimized or eliminated.
A lot of businesses don't have a budget for this kind of scenario. With that in mind, what are some easy, cost-effective things they can do that might be CDC compliant as well to make things better in the workplace?
So really, the simplest things are communication related. So signage in the workplace reminds people not to resort back to some of the habits that we had even several months ago that are easy to just float back into. So for instance, signage to remind people to make sure they're wearing their masks, make sure that they're social distancing. There's going to be spaces within the workplace that you're going to want to put some taping on the floor to remind people. And what I find is that most people are good rule followers. They just need those little hints and reminders so that they can make sure that they're following those rules.
When we think about the well-being of staff members, what is it that leaders can do for those who are either working in person or even remotely to kind of make sure that they're getting along all right?
If managers can afford the time, set up one-on-ones with your staff and check in with them, see how they're doing from a work perspective, but see how they're doing on the personal front as well. It's always nice to have some extra support, and taking a little bit of extra time goes a long way. Also, if there's any type of company things that you can do that are not necessarily work-related, but fun. I know in the beginning there were a lot of happy hours. I've seen trivia, I've seen scavenger hunts. We're in the middle of football season, so maybe if there's a company effort to do some type of playoff fantasy football, something to just keep them engaged, keep them excited. We still may have several months left to go. And so we really do need to be creative in what we're doing to support our teams because they're out there supporting our clients.
Thank you for the insight. We really appreciate it, and continued success at Vargas Associates as well.
Thank you very much.
Lots more online. If you want to learn more, the website is vargasassociates.com. We'll have that link on our site as well at rochesterfirst.com.